everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cleaning motivation video. In this video I done some stuff over a period of 2 days, filmed it focused in the kitchen, which I feel like is typically where I need my cleaning motivation. Even though I will do all my dishes and all that stuff, I don't really have an issue, but I don't know. Like, I just feel like I'm always in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm taking a Clorox wipe and cleaning up my soap dispensers, and we're going to refill them. I like watching refill videos, so I thought maybe one of you do as well. And I'm just cleaning off the dispensers here, and I was showing how dirty that rim is. It's like a mixture of soap scum and rust from the lid. So I cleaned all that up and refilling my dish soap with the Palmolive Ultra Strength. I love this dish soap. It's my favorite. It works fantastic, so I always buy it in the refill jars. And then I seal it back up. And then onto this refillable mason jar soap dispenser. And I'm using the Spa Soap Creamy Milk and Honey. Love this. It smells amazing. It's very moisturizing on the hands as well. It doesn't dry them out of it. And I only paid $1.25 for this ginormous bottle of hand soap. So what's not to love? And then the first day, that was the first day. This is the second day, and I'm using my wax burner and I'm burning fall scents because I love fall. And we're going to be doing some dishes. And there's a lot of dishes this day, I feel. Breakfast dishes, lunch dishes probably too. I can't even remember. I filmed this a while back actually, and just now getting around to editing and voiceovering this. And I was trying to think of some stuff about, I don't know, maybe my Papal again to Hellions, because a lot of comments say I love hearing stories, you know, about my family and stuff, or about your family. So I was thinking, I don't know, I will say that while filming this voiceover, tomorrow, September the 16th, is my nanny's birthday. So happy early heavenly birthday, Nanny. And my Papa, this is a fun little saying he would say. He would say that opinions are like assholes. Everyone's got one and they all stink. And he also would like to say, if they want to be stupid, they're going to be stupid. There ain't nothing you can do about it. He also liked to mention, do you got duct tape on your forehead? That's another way of saying, like, you know, you done something silly or dumb. My Papa Rufus was a firecracker. Yes, firecracker. I cannot believe they've been gone 2 years. I know I mentioned so much in my videos, but you guys have no idea, I feel, what a pivotal part they played in mine and my siblings' lives. Not only were they our grandparents, but they were with us through so much. Speaking of my nanny, you see that little pot that I put in the sink there? Yeah, that was hers. And I eat many a ravioli in that pan, or out of that pan, vegetables, she boiled taters in that thing. And I know good and well that she'd had that pot since, I would say, the 70s or 80s. And it's held together that nicely. Like, it's amazing. I'm still using it. I use it for lots of different things, but mostly we cook ramen in it. Yeah. So, I love that little pan. That was my nanny's. And look how good of a condition this thing is still in. Yeah, it's awesome. Let's see, what else? I don't really know what to talk about. I'm just washing dishes and rinsing them off. A daily thing. Multiple times. My hands are constantly in water, I feel. well, if you didn't hear already, we're finally done with the dishes. And there is an active manhunt search in our area. I live in Kentucky, so you probably already know what happened there. I don't want to get flagged or the video taken down, so I figured I wouldn't say exactly what it was, but if you know, you know. It's huge. We haven't been to school in a week and a half. We're doing virtual learning. Oh, and this is at my feet. The animals at my feet. I think Marshmallow was laying somewhere else at the time. But that was Kit Kat, Hershey, and Oscar all at my feet. I'm listening to that little radio there. Weather kind of radio, but you can put a little card in it and listen to whatever, and I was listening to Motionless in White. It's like my favorite band. But yeah, that's been scary. That's a very, very, very scary situation we've been living through, especially just right down the road. And speaking of right down the road, you guys, I don't know if many of you know who Katie Noel is, but she's a country rapper, musician. And she literally lives 2 minutes down the road from us. And she'll come down through here riding her horse. And she's real friendly. She'll talk to you. Super nice. So it ain't nothing like driving down the road and seeing Katie Noel out there on her porch or in her yard piddling. And yeah, superstar lived down the road. And we live near a couple YouTubers, the Katie Noel. I recommend her song These Roads. I love that song. Pizzowell. I'm not sure. Kendall Gray. I know there's some others as well. I'm just sharing with you that I grew these potatoes and it feels great. These are potatoes I grew, and I always have to share something from outside, so we zoomed in on the moon and the sky, and there's going to be lots of kitties in boxes in a minute because they love boxes, and they're getting so big. The footage of the kitties was actually taken a few weeks ago, but I still wanted to share it. The kitties are much bigger now. They look more like adult cats now. They're 3 months old, going on 4 months actually, and Hershey there loves to chase her tail. And Marshmallow is always with Mama. Hershey is wild, and Marshmallow is the more tame one. And here, this is how this kitty falls asleep in Connor's lap all the time. And this is when they discovered boxes. So they found the Pepsi box. My favorite drink, by the way, Wild Cherry Pepsi. I used to be a Cherry Coke fan, but I'm Pepsi all the way now. I only limit myself to one of these a day or every other day. And I also, totally random, but I also quit drinking caffeinated coffee. I drink decaf now, mostly because of my blood pressure issues. I don't know if I've ever said that on my channel, but yeah, there it is out there in the open. And Oscar is so curious about the kitties in the box. Since being on medication, the coffee makes me feel awful. Sometimes caffeinated drinks in general, and they will raise your blood pressure, so I try to stay away from a lot of it. That's why I will limit myself. I have the black bar there because there's a shipping label and it had some addresses on it. Look how cute they are. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't really know what to talk about. Comments, questions, leave them in the comment section below. The kitties love playing in these boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed the ramblings. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of it.